Before we almost visited Niue, we did visit Tonga, and we'd like to sing for you a Tongan hymn arranged by Mark Pole over here. Mark, put your hand up. Which is your precious love, O Lord, is the depth of the ocean. It is where it submerges all my wrongdoings. It conceals securely my sins completely. The intensity of my flesh, the growing weakness of the soul, the endless burden I carry of my desperate soul's thirst. But my faith hides in your everlasting